Hello friends, my name is Kaushik Patel. Today we are speaking about cybercrime. Cybercrime. It is the interconnected with the world. Rise of the technology has been brings about the many benefits, but it has also many benefits. A new way of the criminal activities. The cybercrime refers to the illegal. Hello friends, my name is Kaushik Patel. Today we are speaking about cybercrime. Cybercrime interconnected with the world. Rise of the technology. Technology has been brought about many benefits, but uh, it also a new way of the criminal activities. Crime uh, new activities new activities refers illegal activities considering the internet computer networks, impressing the wild range of the from hacking to identify the thieves. The crime one of the most common type of the cybercrime is hacking, which involves the unauthorized access to the system or the network. These can be leads to the data breaches, the losses of the sensitive information of purchasing the another prevalent from the cybercrime. We are first attempts obtain the personal information by processing the truly worth entirely to often the results of the financial losses and identify the thieves malwares for the software. The designing of the harm or compressed system. These includes the viruses forms uh, the all which leads to the data losses of financial threats, and the operation of the distributing the identify the thieves involves the personal information of the impressing the sources, and hence the causing the financial harm and credited the damages of the victim. The cyber building through the digital platforms, it can it can results in the services of emotional distress of the social online frauds, including the scams like action fraud and the advance fee fraud. Causes the financial losses for the individual and the business. More individual and the businesses. These motivations behind the cybercrime for the financial gain and the political motives, and the personal. Even in the compressed, the impact of the cybercrime is the significant of the global cost, estimated in the annual economic cost of replications, damages of the legal complement. Just one of the challenges faced to the victims in order to combat the cybercrime. Education, with the safety measure measures, the incident response, the plans, and the reporting the mechanism hmm, are the essential. Reporting the mechanism as the essential. In conclusion, in conclusion, the cybercrime, it is a growing threat in our digital age. The impacting the individual businesses, government. It is critical for the users to stay the informed to stay the informed, the protective measuring, and the work together to the addresses these 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 issues. I hope these overviews provides with the solid foundation to the understanding the cybercrime understanding the cybercrime understanding the cybercrime opens the floor and consider some where there are examples the recently the high profile crime, how the individual better the protect themselves from the cyber crime threats. What was the role of the government plays in preventing the government plays and preventing and responding the cyber crime. Thank you so much.